Is Excel treating your formulas like plain text instead of doing the math? It is a common headache, but it is usually just a tiny setting. Let us fix it right now. Look at this example. I have a laptop and a mouse with their prices listed here. I'm entering a simple sum formula to get the total, but when I hit enter, nothing happens. The formula just sits there as plain text instead of giving me the result. Here is the first and most common fix. Right-click the cell and select Format Cells. You will likely find it set to text. Change it to General and click OK. Now this is the important part. It still looks like text until you double-click the cell and hit Enter again to refresh it. Now you should see the correct result. If that did not work, you might have accidentally turned on the Show Formulas mode. Look at your keyboard and press the Control key along with the backtick key. That is the small key right above the Tab button. This toggles between showing the results and showing the codes. The third possibility is a regional settings error. Depending on where you live, Excel might want a comma or a semicolon to separate your data. If you type a comma and it gives you an error, try using a semicolon instead. A quick tip is to look at the small tooltip that pops up while you are typing. It shows you exactly which one your version of Excel expects. Another reason your functions might seem broken is if your calculation mode is set to manual. If you change your data but the total does not update, go to the Formulas tab, click Calculation Options, and make sure Automatic is checked. Finally, if you are using professional functions and they are not recognized at all, you may need to enable the Analysis Toolpack. Go to File, then Options, and click on Add-ins. At the bottom, click Go next to Excel Add-ins and check the Analysis Toolpack box. One of these steps will definitely solve your problem. If you found this helpful, please leave a comment and subscribe for more technical fixes. See you in the next video.